Good morning. About time we do an update on the Orange River. I'll give you a better view in a moment. It's been a while since the last update. I've been on a couple of trips. There's been a lot of requests, so I'll just pause as the noise approach of the cars. I wanted to come here on the bridge to show you because it gives you a good idea of what happened. Let me turn it at a peak. That is the train bridge at Kakamas. Let me zoom in a bit there. You can see there, the last videos I took, the water was already touching the steel structure at the top. And you can see from the debris there that it went higher than that. It went to almost the top of the steel structure at its highest flow. This is also the spot where we had the videos with the vineyards being submerged in water. And looking at the river overall, the flow is down to almost normal. In the next 2 weeks it should reach normal flow. The Vaal Dam is the 108% with 18 cubic outflow. Bloemhof is at 104%, letting out 100 cubic meters of water per second. That's almost about normal flow. Then Van der Kloof Gerib Dam is at 99%. Van der Kloof, sorry about that noise. Van der Kloof is about 99.8% and letting out about 140 cubic meters of water per second. That'll probably all slow down now. It looks like the projections say they're going to slow down the outflow now. All the dams above are also 100%. Katse is at 99%, 99.5%, Sterkfontein 99.8%. Most of the dams are at that level. Just to hear, normal flow is about 55 cubic meters per second, 55 to 90, between that. It fluctuates. Winter is slightly lower, summer is slightly higher. So, all those projections show that we will probably reach that release point around the next week or so, and that will filter down over about 2 weeks down to the lower Orange. Anyway, a quick update. And I have been making videos for the past couple of weeks, even though it seems that I've been silent. But I've got about a month's work in video editing lying ahead of me, and that means it'll go slow until I can release those videos. A couple of very interesting trips that I've done. I know most people don't watch the 4x4 videos, but these ones were a little bit different. Adventure trips, discovering new trails, then having new people rediscover my trails, and some really interesting. Anyways, let's see how those go. See you on the next one. Cheers.